Here we have pounded yam and egusi. Kuru, the stew, and that's a kuru. We are approaching and entering. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How have you been? I hope you've been great. So today I'll be showing you how I spent my day. I am presently in Ogbomosho. I traveled down from school in Iwo, Osun State, so Ogbomosho in Oyo State. My school has its teaching hospital in Ogbomosho. So the student of the teaching hospital has a social gathering, trade fair, food trade fair. So you get to see different types of foods from different regions of Nigeria and probably continental dishes. So I'll be showing you how it goes, and I hope you stay tuned. I'll be showing you the food as well. So stay tuned. This is the Precious People TV. I encourage you to subscribe. Thank you. So what is this, ma'am?
We are preparing a kuru.
Okay, what's the kuru?
The kuru is a Yoruba meal that is made with grinded beans.
Okay.
Somewhat like moi moi, but then it's just a little bit different.
Okay. All right, well done. We'll be back to see the end result. I know ekuru is a bean pudding, but instead of making it is also made in wrap like moi moi, but instead of adding pepper to it, it is prepared just like this, white like this. So be back. Thank you, ma'am. So I hope this is for pounded yam, ba? So in this place we are preparing to eat pounded yam.
It's the energy for me.
White material, 1,000 yards.
What do we have here?
So basically, we have fish already in the fire.
Okay, what are we preparing?
Smells nice. Preparing ukodo. Ukodo is an infusion of pepper soup and yam.
Okay.
Different meat, fish, and assorted things. Then also we're preparing plantain and owo.
Okay, what's owo?
Owo is a sauce, like it's majorly for people from the south.
Okay.
But Delta people that go.
So is there a pepper soup going on? Because I can see beef.
Yeah, that's ukodo.
Okay, and shredded fish.
I did not take him.
What do you have? Good afternoon, ma'am. So what do you have here, ma'am?
We have pepper chicken.
Okay.
Then here is pepper dessert.
Dessert.
And we have here pepper pomo.
Beef skin.
Yeah. Then pepper
Meat. Beef. Then you have
cakes here.
chocolate
We have
cake.
chocolate.
Thank you very much. So here we have prawn cracker. We need to taste this Chapman. It's so sweet. So just come with me to the Inyo and Egusi stand. Mix of pepper soup. So this is Max fish pepper soup. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So what do we have here?
We have kunu aya and masa.
So what's this?
This is kunu aya.
Okay.
You pay it.
And this is what?
This is masa.
There is donut again. May I not eat and be so full that I will not be able to carry myself home today? This is donut again. I'm going to the asun stand and I'm going to eat asun again. Hey, hey. Today, not today. So what's this, sir?
It's just asun.
Okay.
So I'm using the meat rub or asun rub for it.
So what's this sauce? What's the sauce made of?
It's just pepper, garlic, and ginger.
Pepper, garlic, and
There's some
ginger.
special herbs.
Well done. We'll be back to eat, and eat. Okay, what is ojojo, ma?
Ojojo is akara made of yam.
Cocoa yam.
No, not cocoyam. Ewura.
Okay. Water yam. Okay. Well done, ma. So what did you add to it like this?
Pepper and onion.
Pepper, onion, sauce.
So it's ojojo. So guys, this is my kunu and I'm about tasting it. It tastes nice.
Hi guys.
But it's different from the one I drink. Oh, so we have peace here. She's also at the trade fair. So what have you eaten today, please?
So I have pepper soup, I had cake, I had nunu, I had a lot of things.
Wow.
Like I even had this northern food and
Masa.
yes. And I had aya kunu.
Oh, yeah.
And it's actually nice. Trust
This
me.
kunu
You're not
aya.
here, you're missing.
Wow. So that is peace.